Welcome to this year's Business Opportunity Forum, and thank you for your interest in doing business with DFW Airport. The next several years will be an exciting time of growth at DFW with a significant amount of infrastructure and development projects, which will provide many new opportunities to do business with us. Last year, we signed a 10-year use and lease agreement with American Airlines and our other airline partners. This agreement initiated the future growth of DFW and paved the way for nearly $5 billion in major infrastructure investments, including the modernization of Terminal C, which has had no major updates in 50 years, and new construction of the much anticipated Terminal F, which will significantly add capacity to DFW. DFW is one of the busiest airports in the world, and North Texas is one of the fastest growing metropolitan areas in the country. These two major projects are critically important for serving our growing customer base. We saw over 80 million travelers pass through our gates in 2023, and projections for growth continue to show increased demand at our airport, which is expected to serve 100 million passengers each year by the end of this decade. We need to upgrade and build new facilities to help us meet the needs of our customers. Construction projects like these take a tremendous amount of partnership and are critical to ensuring the best experience possible for our customers. We cannot complete these major projects without companies like yours. This Business Opportunity Forum will help you learn how to work with us and help us move forward. We want you to take in all of the information and learn about the opportunities that will be available in the coming months. Please don't hesitate to ask questions of the team. Thank you for being here and enjoy the day. I look forward to seeing you help us make DFW into the airport of the future.
Over the last 50 years, DFW has undergone significant changes that have transformed our region. In 1974, the airport started with 4 terminals, 3 runways, and 56 gates. The 9 airlines that served DFW Regional Airport brought 8 million passengers annually. At the time, DFW was the world's biggest airport. Our facilities included 600-room hotel, a post office, and a few shops and restaurants. Today, DFW International Airport is a super hub with 5 active terminals and a 6th terminal, Terminal F, in design and construction. There are 7 runways, 171 gates, 28 passenger airlines. In July 2023, we served 8 million passengers during the month. And on our busiest day, 280,000 passengers came through DFW. We are more than the 2nd busiest airport in the world. DFW is also an economic powerhouse for North Texas and the surrounding region, supporting over 634,000 jobs and contributing an annual payroll of $38 billion. Our growth continues, and we are projecting to serve 100 million passengers annually by 2030. It is impressive to see how much DFW has accomplished and how much it continues to contribute to our region's prosperity.
Visitors to DFW Airport and the surrounding region generate $24 billion in annual economic activity, an increase of 25% since 2015. This results in more than $3 billion in state taxes and $2 billion in local taxes, further contributing to the region's financial well-being. The growth of our state, our region, and the number of travelers passing through our gate is increasing at breakthrough speeds. This growth fuels the airport, and we take everything that comes with that very seriously. We don't want our customers to feel like they are just one person in a sea of millions. We want them to experience best-in-class service that meets their individual needs and experiences that allow them to move quickly and easily, stretch out and relax, or work in a way that is comfortable for them. You've heard us say this before, and we cannot say it enough. We are genuinely obsessed with our customers and pride ourselves on connecting them to what is essential. DFW is already working to create a seamless experience from the moment they step out of the door to the moment they fasten their seatbelt and get ready for takeoff. We want our partner agencies and business partners to feel the value and appreciation we have for them and know that the partnership we share means the world to us. You are an essential part of delivering a seamless experience for our customers.
DFW is more than an airport. We are part of a family committed to being good stewards of the environment, creating opportunities for businesses and job growth, and supporting our communities for decades to come. There is a saying that you don't have to get ready if you stay ready, and we stay ready. We must plan to make the next 50 years the best 50 years. For us, the future is now, and we need partners who can help us fly like never before while supporting the core needs of our customers. We are gearing up for growth and thoughtfully looking at how this growth will impact our customers and our business partners. Over the next few years, several construction projects will be underway that will affect how passengers access and move around the airport. We need to ensure that the customer's journey is enjoyable and devoid of unplanned disruptions. That means ensuring that our customers' core needs for visibility to ongoing construction updates are met and incorporated into our planning and communication strategies. American Airlines, an important partner, and their investments in the airport support the expected growth that radiates out from the airport. The recently signed use and lease agreement with American Airlines includes $4.8 billion for pre-approved projects and will create a 6th terminal and 15 new gates with amenities designed with the customer in mind. Our ongoing terminal expansion projects will create opportunities for greater line of sight, higher ceilings, fewer columns, more flights, less waiting, and more opportunities for businesses that provide goods and services that customers want and need. DFW is a bustling airport that operates 24/7, and we understand that our construction activity should have a minimal impact as possible on our customers. To achieve this, we have adopted modular, prefabricated construction methodology, which has shown us the art of what's possible in the terms of innovative delivery. Modular construction was a new concept in the aviation industry, but with the help of our consultants and contractors, we were able to achieve extraordinary results. This approach saves time and allows us to expand our facilities without significantly disrupting operations or our customer experience. DFW has a long history of building the groundwork today for the airport's needs of the future. As a part of our innovation program, we continue to keep focus on emerging technologies that affect the future of mobility. One of those areas is advanced air mobility. Currently, we have completed our strategy for the future of eVTOL at DFW Airport and selected both short-term and long-term locations for potential eVTOL operations. Our goal is to support early demonstration flights by 2025 to be ready for FIFA 2026, and the potential for point-to-point operations using electric aircraft. We can't do this alone, and have been working with subject matter experts from NASA, University of North Texas, and eVTOL manufacturers. Our recent partnership with Overair, an eVTOL manufacturer, will help us assess the feasibility for integrating eVTOL operations for both passengers and cargo across the North Texas region. By exploring the future of aviation now, we will help better position the entire DFW Metroplex for the next era of innovative air mobility. We are also bringing in thought leadership in several other areas, from charting roadmaps for realizing the organizational strategy and sustainability and the responsible growth to leading initiatives such as the airport's first microgrid, deployment of a campus-wide private wireless network, and the transition of our fleet to zero-emission vehicles. We are always thinking of what is next, the next big idea, and how to bring that to life for the benefit of our customers. We want innovative partners who can help us collaborate and build on our success. We are excited to explore new possibilities with you to deliver projects effectively and efficiently.
The thing about innovation is that the horizon is always changing. And to really, truly deliver on our promise of travel transformed, we must stay ahead of the curve. Travel transformed is not an endpoint, it's a continuously evolving view of what's possible. That's a pretty amazing challenge, isn't it? Imagine an airport where your trip begins long before you arrive, not with queues and waiting, but with seamless, personalized experiences powered by connected data and advanced biometrics. Your face becomes your ticket to everything, your boarding pass, your passport. Getting a cold one? Imagine a biometric immediately proves you're of age and pays for it as you dash out to catch your flight. Your identity is not just a security measure, it's a gateway to a suite of services, loyalty benefits, and valuable information in the palm of your hand. This is the future of how we'll engage customers. Imagine an operation that is connected, smart, automated, autonomous, and agile. The world of IoT will boost our intelligence and help unleash the power of AV technologies across our campus. Our digital twin models and efficient mobility options in ground handling, maintenance, and all other areas will drive the smart ramp even further. Fleets of robotic baggage handlers will ensure your most essential travel companion, your suitcase, is treated with care and precision every step of the way. This is the future of how we'll operate. Now imagine augmented intelligence and machine learning at the core of our vision. 5G connectivity, augmented reality, and AI at scale and on the edge will revolutionize the way information is captured and delivered to both customers and those that serve them. Imagine solar-powered terminals, innovative waste management systems. Imagine that every aspect of our airport embodies our commitment to a greener, more resilient enterprise. Because sustainability, it's not just a buzzword around here, it is the foundation upon which our future must be built. We're not just designing buildings, we're creating ecosystems that sustain themselves and enrich their surroundings, caring for our employees, our passengers, and our partners. This is the future of how we want to build. Now imagine truly working together to create something great. It's a pretty exciting proposition, isn't it? I'll close with this. We want your collaboration, your innovative ideas, and your commitment to excellence. We are defining the future of what travel transformed looks like, and we're setting new standards for the industry. A future that is safe, efficient, sustainable, and above all, centered around the traveler's experience. The future is now, and the opportunity to work with us is pretty great.
At DFW, we are focused on the future by fully embracing innovation and digital transformation through actively exploring new and emerging technologies. Our goals are straightforward: simplify the customer journey, proactively manage operations, create a smart, growth-oriented ecosystem, and digitize how we work to build efficiency, effectiveness, and resiliency. Employing intelligent infrastructure allows us to create a connected environment where our assets and systems communicate and provide the intel needed to make critical business decisions. This is where our digital twin comes in. DFW's Digital Twin Initiative is a virtual representation of the entire airport campus, creating a single source of truth through aggregating spatial, static, and live data. The digital twin allows us to monitor our operations in real time, streamlining routine maintenance and swiftly detecting any underperforming assets or their availability. DFW stands at the forefront of innovation in the aviation and construction industries, harnessing cutting-edge technology to optimize efficiency and to enhance the overall infrastructure network. Our Advanced Digital Oversight Program is a technological arsenal that uses BIM models, 4D schedules, concrete maturity meters, reality capture devices, and when possible, drones. These tools enable us to conduct in-depth analysis of various aspects, including pavement conditions, construction oversight, and surveying for new and existing developments. The deployment of drones gives us a bird's-eye view, capturing high-resolution images and data that contributes to more accurate and timely decision-making. We integrate this wealth of information into sophisticated models, providing a real-time analytics platform. This data-driven approach not only aids in identifying potential issues promptly, but also supports strategic planning and resource allocation. Incorporating building information models further enhances the precision of the design and development process, allowing for detailed virtual representations of structures and systems. Technology provides powerful tools for holistic monitoring, predictive maintenance, continuous improvement, and positions DFW Airport as a trailblazer in leveraging technology for infrastructure network management. We challenge ourselves, our business partners, consultants, and contractors to innovate to ensure DFW remains a globally recognized digital technology and customer experience leader.
Our digital transformation highlights the importance of modernizing asset management through predictive analytics and sensor technology. DFW's Energy Transportation and Asset Management Department plays a crucial role in airport operations, including energy and utilities, facilities and systems, passenger systems, and infrastructure. To ensure continuous operations, it is essential to have partners who understand the importance of sensor technology for asset management. Sensors provide data that our controls and analytics team uses to create interactive dashboards. These dashboards provide visibility of the asset's condition, enabling the proactive management of the airport's systems. By capturing and analyzing data, we can identify patterns and predict potential issues before they occur, allowing us to schedule maintenance proactively. This approach ensures the continuous operation of airport systems and facilities, improving the customer experience and availability. It is important to note that construction accounts for 20% of an asset's life cycle costs, while asset management accounts for 80% of asset costs and reoccur annually for the asset's life. Therefore, it is critical to have partners who proactively plan, design, and construct with the asset life cycle in mind.
The drive for sustainability has not only changed the way we think, but also how we plan and execute our vision for a sustainable airport ecosystem. It has inspired us to push beyond and strive to create a better future and benefit the next generation. We are proud to be one of the global leaders in sustainability and are committed to achieving net zero carbon by 2030, 20 years ahead of the timeline set by the United Nations. To improve and inspire sustainable practices, we've not only set goals for climate action, but have complemented them with energy performance criteria to ensure we continue optimizing consumption by designing and building high-performing and energy-efficient infrastructure. We're also investing in a new electric central utility plant expected to open in spring 2025. This plant will provide resiliency for future terminal expansion and is a cornerstone of our decarbonization strategy. Once commissioned, our 2010 baseline footprint will exceed the required 90% reduction threshold. However, to achieve our goals, we need the support of engineers, architects, contractors, and partners who could leverage innovation and clean technologies and construction techniques. We need partners to exceed our expectations economically while making our facilities and infrastructure systems operate more intelligently. We also have circularity goals, including achieving zero waste. Our materials management site recycles and reuses construction materials on all projects to reduce waste to landfill volumes. We look to our partners to realize and embrace environmentally sensitive development practices, such as adopting sustainable and energy-efficient building materials, supporting our tree conservation plan, and incorporating sustainable practices in their designs. Objectives like heat island mitigation through reflective roofs, low-impact stormwater design, bioswales, and green infrastructure are all examples of design elements we're looking to integrate across our campus. We can inspire and improve sustainable practices and deliver a better airport for future generations. So, who will take the challenge and propel us into the future?
Commercial development is a critical component of the development and growth of DFW and our surrounding communities. As a member of the global aviation community and the regional economic landscape, we must continue our sustainability initiatives to ensure economic and environmental resources are available for future generations. Our partners will be champions of responsible land development and facility redevelopment, which means balancing flexible development for the growing needs of business and industry with the requirements of people and the environment. We want our commercial development partners to create high-quality environments that support market opportunities and emphasize natural resources, workforce wellness, and efficient operations. At DFW, we have the opportunity through all of our partners to make a positive difference in responsible property stewardship through resilient asset management, redevelopment practices, energy conservation, and carbon emissions reduction.
Sustainability is not limited to our commercial development and the environment, but also includes sustaining the business community. DFW Airport is committed to providing opportunities for small, women, and minority-owned businesses and ensuring that they are set up for success once they are awarded a contract. This means more than leveling the playing field. It means helping these businesses build capacity and grow to become the prime contractors of the future. Small businesses are an integral part of the region's economic engine, and we want to ensure we nurture the entrepreneurial spirit. We are looking for partners like you with the same motivation to grow and desire to be the best. Last year, DFW achieved 40% MWB participation, exceeding our annual goal by 9%. We also achieved 26% DBE participation, exceeding our annual goal by 6%. That means $186 million was paid to MWB firms and $18 million was paid to DBE firms. We are more than just an airport. We are an institution to our community and will continue to provide equitable access to businesses.
As you have heard, opportunities to do business with DFW continue to expand. To support this growth, we are focusing on ways to improve pushing out information regarding current and future opportunities and reducing friction in our business process. So we have created an annual buying plan which forecasts bidding opportunities for the next 12 months. The buying plan is updated each quarter to ensure the information is refreshed and accurate. Regarding eliminating friction, we have made substantial improvements to Bonfire to make it easier and streamlined for those wanting to do business with DFW. Bonfire allows paperless registration, issues notifications of solicitations to registered suppliers, therein reducing the cost of submitting a bid. Today, all solicitations, including design, build, and concession opportunities, are issued through Bonfire. We know change can be challenging, so we have enhanced our programs to include pre-bid, pre-proposal meetings for all bidding opportunities over $50,000. This ensures that bidders have current information and can participate in in-person question and answering sessions. We hope these efforts will increase the number of responsive bidders and proposals received for each solicitation. We're focused on paying invoices faster and executing change orders faster. Currently, our goal is to pay invoices within 30 days of submission. This year, we're launching the use of Oracle Fusion Supplier Portal. The result of using Supplier Portal invoicing module will result in invoices being paid even faster. We are executing change orders, currently averaging 39 days from initiation to execution.
This month, we implemented a new conflict of interest policy that helps to clarify the roles our partners can have on projects. Moving forward, primes and subcontractors will be able to serve in multiple roles on professional service contracts at DFW Airport. However, to avoid any perceived conflicts of interest, if you are working in a professional service capacity in any role for DFW, you will not be eligible to represent both the airport as the owner's representative and the construction contractor.
When we make it easier to compete on projects and do business with DFW Airport, we move projects from ideas to reality faster. Our collective goal is to continue to prepare for the growth of our region, our airport, and the evolving needs of the employees, partners, and customers. This is Travel Transformed.
Today, we benefit from learning a few things over the last 50 years. The most important lesson is that people, from customers and employees to business, federal, and airline partners make a difference in everything we do. Our airline partners are taking passengers to more places than ever before to help them connect to what is important to them. Our charge on the ground is to make that connection frictionless. We know that there are 6 core customer needs, and 3 of them are time, knowledge, and visibility. These will be important as the airport begins an unprecedented amount of work to expand. Customers will need to understand how our work will change how they access the airport, how to get to their gates before leaving the house, and how to easily navigate around and not see the construction work once they arrive. Customers need to know the different steps in their journey and how long it will take so they can make their flights on time. DFW puts this information at their fingertips or at the right point in their journey, whether it is security checkpoint wait times, whether a favorite restaurant is open or closed, whether a restroom stall is available. DFW's customers need to be able to see the environment around them when they're traveling. We are reducing visual clutter and making our terminals easier to navigate and more intuitive. Customer experience, planning, and design coding construction continuously implement best-in-class design concepts throughout DFW's terminals to address this need for visibility. Terminal C's High C project is a testament to our commitment to ensuring our customers' journey is pleasant. The new gates provide visibility for customers to their flight status through digital displays that can be seen at a distance or from the gate area itself. New designs of concessions locations will be more open concept and not rely so much on walls, which would limit the customer's ability to see their surroundings. Everything comes back to people and how we make their time with us comfortable, productive, and enjoyable. We want partners who understand that the customer is the only concern and keep them at the core of their planning processes.
We are investing billions into DFW. In 2023, we spent $345 million on construction capital projects and completed 29 projects. Today, we have 171 active projects and find ourselves at the nexus of opportunity, community, and innovation. The projects ahead of us are not just ventures, they are the building blocks of the communities we aim to enhance and the future we are determined to shape. To succeed in our endeavors, we recognize the significance of partnerships. Collaboration is the cornerstone of progress. Today, we brought some of our partners to provide their take on delivering the future.
Supporting DFW diversity goal is not merely a commitment, but a recognition of the link between the success of DFW Airport and the flourishing businesses community it sustains.
As a construction manager at risk for various projects at DFW, including Terminal C renovation, we understand that our achievements are intricately connected to the prosperity of the entire community. By fostering robust partnerships, we build the foundation for shared success, understanding that collaboration is pivotal for progress.
Actively engaging with the community, we extend an open invitation for strong participation in our endeavors. While acknowledging that the security constraint airside, we emphasize that a substantial portion of the work DFW is doing on the Terminal C renovations is landside, presenting ample opportunities for MWBE partners to find relief from the traditional constraints associated with secure facilities.
As we plan for the future, it is important to remember that the future is being shaped by the decisions we make today. We take pride in announcing that we are partnering with DFW Airport, not only to imagine the future, but to bring it to life.
We have a range of opportunities available to us, with varying values from hundreds of thousands to multi-million-dollar projects. Some of these opportunities are with DFW, while others are with us, the general contractors.
Each opportunity is unique and presents its own set of challenges and requirements. These requirements may include security clearances, access to restricted areas of the airport, or deciding whether to renovate or build anew. However, we view these requirements not as obstacles, but rather as parameters with which we can showcase our expertise and commitment. As we partner with DFW, our goal is to facilitate landside construction
opportunities where possible to reduce operational impacts. We will construct modular components on the land side for the Terminals A and C piers. These components will include elements beyond the shell and core of the modules, such as the partnership with Falkbuilt, who will construct restrooms off-site and install them in the piers.
This approach will allow successful trade partners to construct without requiring their workforce to be badged.
Moreover, designing and constructing components for modules will use less material, reduce emissions in manufacturing, and reduce on-site waste. We are designing and constructing with change in mind, so the components are designed for disassembly. Similar to the ever-popular Lego, the wall systems can be easily reconfigured on-site or recycled at the end of the life cycle. Diversity is the strength that propels us forward at DFW. The projects or partners we work with are a testament to the diverse talents, perspectives, and experiences of our teams. Embracing diversity isn't simply about meeting quotas, but it's about creating an environment where innovation thrives, ideas collide, and solutions are found that go beyond the usual. We encourage our construction community to see DFW as a partner that encourages out-of-the-box thinking and promotes equity in business. When DFW succeeds, we all succeed.
American Airlines is proud to develop DFW into our largest hub and central gateway to our extensive international and domestic network, leading the growth that's propelled DFW to become the second busiest airport in the world. We recently finalized a new 10-year lease agreement and capital plan with our partners at the airport that sets the stage for American, DFW, and the North Texas region to continue to grow for years to come. Our new agreement includes a pre-approved capital investments of nearly $5 billion, which includes major renovation of Terminal C and gate expansion extending from Terminal A and Terminal C. American will manage and deliver the fit-out of Terminal C renovations through various contracting opportunities. We invite you to propose on these vital projects that will help prepare for growth, maximize operational capability, and enhance the experience for American's customers. As we prepare for the procurement of this project and other future opportunities with American, we assure you that, like DFW, we are committed to providing the opportunities for small, women, and minority-owned businesses. We value our long-standing relationship with DFW and surrounding communities and are thrilled to continue that partnership through these upcoming projects.
DFW wants to partner with our business community to deliver state-of-the-art facilities and amenities faster. Together with DFW, we are committed to diversity, inclusivity, and community engagement.
We recognize the invaluable perspectives and innovative solutions that a diverse range of partners brings to each of our projects. Our focus is unwavering and our approach is meticulous, ensuring that MWE partners can contribute meaningfully to the projects. The International Parkway Modernization Project will be constructed landside, negating the need to have badges. The project creates an environment that promotes ease of access and encourages participation from a broad spectrum of trade partners.
As we collectively embark on these transformative ventures, we are shaping the future of DFW and setting a precedent for inclusive and collaborative practices that will define the airport's legacy.
We are delivering the future of DFW with diversity, accessibility, and shared success at its core.
We will now present upcoming opportunities. As we mentioned earlier, you can find open opportunities on DFW's Bonfire Procurement Portal and a list of all contracts that are expected to be advertised in DFW's Procurement Buying Plan located on DFW's website. We have prepared a brochure for you that includes Infrastructure and Development Division contracts that are anticipated to be advertised over the next 12 months. You will receive this brochure after the show, and you can also find it on DFW's website or in the lobby after the show by scanning the QR code provided. To save time, we will only be highlighting select opportunities. The following contracts represent various opportunities within the Infrastructure and Development Division. From different contract types to varying durations and values, there's something for everyone. So let's dive in and see what lies ahead.
Hello, my name is Kevin Haas. I am the Assistant Vice President of Commercial Development at DFW Airport. Our department facilitates the development of over 6,000 acres of land while managing a diverse real estate portfolio of tenants and users. Here are 2 opportunities we expect to advertise over the next year. This development opportunity will provide interested firms with a chance to submit proposals for the potential development of 2 vacant parcels on DFW Airport property. The 2 sites are approximately 63 acres combined, the first of which is 37 acres and the second being 26 acres. Following on the success of other competitive land development opportunities, the airport is looking for the highest and best use of these 2 parcels and will be requesting proposals that demonstrate a realistic development opportunity. The estimated release of this development opportunity is in the fourth quarter of 2024. This opportunity will request proposals for commercial real estate appraisal services and award up to 3 contracts to experienced professional appraisers to conduct detailed fair market value analysis of both vacant land and existing assets on airport property. These on-call contracts will be used to establish fair market rental rates and provide real estate valuation advisory services. They will have an initial term of 2 years with 3 one-year renewal options and have a maximum contract value of $100,000 per year. Expect the solicitation in Q1 2025.
Hello, my name is Reginald Lee, and I am the Assistant Vice President of Facilities and Systems for the Energy Transportation and Asset Management Department. Today, I will be presenting several contract opportunities expected to be released in support of DFW's E-Town. I will present the service contracts first. The Heavy and Specialized Equipment Rental Services contract is anticipated for solicitation in second quarter of 2024, with the service contract term of 3 years and value of $2 million. You'll be asked to provide specific and specialized equipment when needed to increase DFW's productivity and efficiency, especially when DFW-owned equipment is unavailable due to maintenance or repairs. Badging will not be required. Additionally, we will be soliciting pest management services in the interior and exterior of terminals A, B, C, D, and E. These services will also be provided to all DFW board-owned facilities. This services contract will be advertised in the second quarter of 2024 with an estimated value of $3.5 million and a contract term of 3 years and 2 one-year options. Badging is required. Mechanical, electrical, plumbing, and structural facilities maintenance contract will be in support of DFW's Southgate Plaza, DPS Headquarters, Integrated Operations Center, Rental Car Center, and the brand new Project Integration Office Facility. These services will be provided on a 24/7 as-needed basis and will be advertised in the second quarter of 2024 with an estimated value of $15 million and a contract term of 3 years and 2 one-year options. Work will be performed in both secure and non-secure portions of DFW, and badging will be required. The airfield light canisters bolt torquing services contract will also be released in third quarter of 2024 with an estimated value of $3 million and a contract duration of 3 years. This service will ensure DFW complies with FAA regulations as it pertains to the required periodic torquing of in-pavement light canister bolts and the use of either stainless steel or coated carbon steel bolts and meeting manufacturer's bolt tension and clamping force torque values. Badging is required. The airfield marking services contract is expected to be released in third quarter of 2024. This is a request for bid services contract with a value of $7 million for a 3-year term and 2 one-year options. This service is required to maintain DFW's 1.2 million square feet of painted airfield markings and 6,000 square feet of thermoplastic surface markings in accordance with FAA standards. This service will repair markings on the service and runways, taxiways, aprons, and aircraft rescue and firefighting roads on an as-needed basis. This work will recur on the secure side of the airport and badging is required. The final services contract opportunity will provide mechanical, electrical, plumbing, and structural maintenance services for terminals B, D, and E, and ANC Skylink and their associated parking garages. This professional services contract opportunity will provide facility maintenance services to 120 of our 174 gates and be required on a 24/7 as-needed basis. This contract is expected to be advertised in the first quarter of 2025 with an estimated value of $65 million with a contract term of 3 years and 2 one-year options. Badging is required. Finally, we have several supply contract opportunities to present you with this morning. First is the escalator, elevator, and moving sidewalks part solicitation. This provider will support consistent and reliable operation of DFW's 373 terminal and non-terminal conveyance units. The services offered under this contract are 24/7 and are a major component of the best-in-class customer experience provided at DFW. This opportunity is expected to be released third quarter of 2024. It is a request for bid supplies contract with a value of $3.75 million and a contract term of 1 year and 2 one-year options. Badging will not be required. The supply of sodium hypochlorite contract is anticipated for solicitation in fourth quarter of 2024 with an estimated value of $100,000. This chemical is crucial for DFW's Central Utility Plant, has a contract duration of 1 year and 2 one-year options, and no badging will be required. Our final two supply contract opportunities are tied to the supply of fuel to DFW. Our first opportunity is the supply of E3 fuel necessary for DFW's aircraft rescue and firefighter training. This contract term is for 1 year and 1 option year with an estimated value of $250,000 and an anticipated solicitation in the fourth quarter of 2024. Our second fuel opportunity is the supply of motor fuel, gasoline, and diesel. This contract term is for 1 year and 1 option year and has an estimated value of $1.5 million and is anticipated to advertise fourth quarter of 2024.
Good morning. I'm Demetric Larry, the Senior Construction and Quality Assurance Manager at DFW Airport. I will present upcoming professional service opportunities for the Design, Code, and Construction Department. The first opportunity is to provide professional survey services tied to various structures and facilities, including airfield, civil engineering, and commercial site development. We anticipate this contract to be advertised in the fourth quarter of 2024 with a contract value of approximately $7 million and a contract duration of 5 years. Work will take place on both the landside and airside, and badging will be required. There may be federal funding connected with this contract. Also advertising fourth quarter 2024 is the airfield escorting service contract. This contract has an estimated value of $8 million and a contract term of 3 years. The scope of work include providing certified movement area escorts on the airfield for various construction projects in support of the Design, Code, and Construction Department. Please note that all work on the airfield occurs 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Work will be distributed on a delivery order basis and badging is required. Lastly, we are seeking professional services to provide quality assurance personnel for facilities and civil projects. These contracts are expected to advertise first quarter 2025 with a 2-year contract duration. The total contract capacity for both the civil quality assurance personnel and facilities quality assurance personnel contracts is $48 million. We anticipate selecting multiple firms to support these contracts. Work will be distributed on a delivery order basis. Badging is required.
My name is Fabian Cornelius. I'm the Assistant Vice President for Design, Code, and Construction. As you've heard, we're working on making our next 50 years our best 50 years. Several facility projects are organized into renovations, rehabilitations, and new build. A number of our opportunities exist for HVAC renovation, convenience replacement, and fit out of facilities. Today, I would like to present a few key facility opportunities anticipated to be released over the next 12 months. The first opportunity is the Terminal Exit Lane Program. This scope of work includes implementation of an automatic terminal exit lane known as ATELs in Terminal A and in Terminal B. The scope at each exit location will consist of demolition, new electrical and communication infrastructure, installation of ATELs, and finish out. Phase 1, Terminal A, is expected to advertise the second quarter of 2024 and has an expected construction value of $3.5 million. And Phase 2 in Terminal B will advertise the first quarter of 2025 with an anticipated construction value of $2 million. This work both airside and landside and will require badging. The Passenger Boarding Bridge Program Phase 2 solicitation will be released in the second quarter of this year. This contract has an estimated construction value of $4 million and the expected duration is 1 year. This project will rehabilitate up to 16 passenger boarding bridges, including replacement of the control systems and associated components, replacement of the passenger boarding bridge, park, aircraft conditioning system, installation of the gate management system, and replacement of existing TK cable side trolley system. Work will occur on the secure side of the airport and badging will be required. Next is the Rental Car Center Bus Wash Building Facility HVAC Rehabilitation Project. The scope of work will include architectural renovation, mechanical, plumbing, electrical, and life safety system upgrades. This contract is expected to advertise in the third quarter of 2024 and it has an anticipated construction value of $2.2 million. This building is on the landside and will not require badging. Also advertising in the third quarter is the contract for Terminal D Custom and Border Protection Corridors and Vestibule Carpet Replacement Project. This project consists of removing and replacing the carpet in the custom border protection corridors and vestibules. This project will require badging, including access to the custom and border protection areas. We anticipate a contract value of approximately $2 million. In the fourth quarter of 2024, we expect to advertise a contract for Ground Transportation Administration building renovation. The scope of work will include architectural renovation, HVAC, plumbing, electrical, and fire suppressant upgrades. This project will also address various items at existing booths to meet the facility's current needs. This project has an estimated construction value of $2 million. This project is on the land side and will not require badging. Our next project advertises the fourth quarter of 2024 is the Conveyance Replacement Project, has an estimated construction value of $6.6 million and will require demolition, removal, and replacement of 8 elevators and 4 escalators. This project is located airside and will require badging. The last project I'd like to highlight is the Rehabilitate and Convert York Titan Chillers and PC Control contract. This project is expected to advertise in the first quarter of 2025. This project intends to extend and sustain the operational life of the existing equipment, reduce unscheduled outage due to aging, and improve the environmental sustainability of all chiller equipment. This contract will have stipulations regarding construction scheduling and construction phasing. The utility plant is a secured building and therefore will require badging. The contract has an estimated construction value of $13.7 million.
My name is Wade Lansdale Strong, and I'm the Program Director for the Civil Landside Team at Design, Code, and Construction. Today I will present some key civil projects our team anticipates advertising in the next year. Most projects are located on the land side and will not require badging. However, there are 2 projects on the air side that will require badging.
The first opportunity is the Terminal F Civil and Utility Project, which is comprised of 3 major components. Most work will be constructed via landside. However, there is an airside component that will require badging. First, this contract will construct 2 landside underground tunnels as open-ditch concrete box culverts. These tunnels will connect Terminal E and future Terminal F to a new combined baggage handling and loading dock building located between International Parkway. The first tunnel is approximately 20 feet wide by 14 feet high and will accommodate a baggage handling system conveyor belt from Terminal E to the combined baggage handling and loading dock building. The second tunnel is approximately 30 feet wide by 16 feet high and will accommodate a connected autonomous vehicle from the combined baggage handling and loading dock building to Terminal F. The second component is the utility mains for future Terminal F that will provide utility capacity for an adjacent contractor to incorporate Terminal F utilities. Utilities will be designed from their tie-in source, anticipated near International Parkway, to the east side of the current hardstand parking. This construction is landside. And the third component of this project is airfield improvements that will increase the efficiency of ground aircraft movement and provide additional flexible space during non-standard operations. The Terminal F Civil and Utility Project value is anticipated to be $185 million and advertised the second quarter 2024. This project is an integral part of the overall Terminal F program and therefore will require extensive coordination with other projects. The anticipated contract duration is 1.5 years. Releasing the fourth quarter 2024 is the contract to improve the Trigg Lake Pump Station. This $2 million project will include building repairs, replacement of electrical and plumbing systems, including replacement of the pump with a SCADA system. The construction duration is expected to be 12 months. Also releasing fourth quarter 2024 is the Soil Slope Remediation and Guardrail and Attenuator Replacements Project. This project will repair multiple weakened soil embankments at 8 landside locations and 2 airside locations, including the Founders Plaza observation area on the north side of the airport. Additionally, the project will include removal and replacement of guardrail and attenuators within International Parkway and adjacent service roads. Badging will be required for 2 soil slope repairs in the secured airfield. We anticipate this $17.4 million project to be released fourth quarter 2024 with a construction duration to be approximately 12 months. The next opportunity is the rehabilitation and improvement of the employees' southeast lot, consisting of rehabbing and repurposing existing pavement and the expansion of pavement area for additional parking capacity. The project includes construction of a continuous bus lane that connects Walnut Hill Lane and Employee Loop Road, thereby connecting Employee Parking Lot 5E and the Southeast Employee Parking Lot. New employee entry/exit points will be constructed along the northbound service road and Walnut Hill Lane. Included will be new lighting, EV charging stations, and blue light safety call boxes with associated infrastructure, and installation of a variable message system for parking stall availability. The project will require phased construction to minimize the impacts to parked vehicles during construction. The $19 million project is expected to advertise in the fourth quarter 2024 with a construction duration of 12 months. Advertising first quarter 2025 is a combined project for the rental car center bus roads and bridge rehab, along with the rental car center peer-to-peer surface lot. The $17 million project will include the rehab and construction of 182,000 square feet of roadway pavement and the repair of 10 bridge locations for expansion joints and deck spall repairs, all at the rental car center campus. The new peer-to-peer surface lot will accommodate peer-to-peer car share companies with about 100 parking stalls, with about 62,000 square feet of new pavement. The work will include earthwork, new and rehab pavement, perimeter curbs, storm sewers, landscaping, signage, pavement markings, lighting, sidewalks, and security.
Hello, my name is Marty Shenfield, and I am the Interim Program Director for the Civil Airside team at Design, Code, and Construction. I am excited to present some key airfield projects our team anticipates advertising in the next 12 months. Since these projects are located on the airfield, they will require badging. Our first project is the Southwest End-Around Taxiway Package 1B, which includes the CoBus services relocation and snow and ice vehicle storage facility. This solicitation is expected to be released in the second quarter of 2024. The Southwest End-Around Taxiway Package is being constructed to enhance the safe operation of the aircraft taxiing on the west side of the airport by reducing the number of aircraft crossing active runways. This project includes completion of the inner loop of the Southwest End-Around Taxiway, the extension of Taxiway E, and construction of the associated taxiways. The relocation of the CoBus facility and the construction of a 60,000 square foot snow and ice vehicle storage facility with necessary utility and site work. This work will occur on the secure and non-secure sides of the airport and is new construction. The contract has an estimated construction value of between $185 and $215 million. Next is the Airfield Civil Remediation Fiscal Year 2024 project. This solicitation is expected to be released in the third quarter of 2024. The scope of work will span across the entire AOA to include selected reconstruction of airfield pavements, joint sealing, crack and spall rehabilitation, and select panel replacement. Additional work will include electrical circuit and lighting upgrades, airfield signage upgrades, and drainage improvements. This work will be a huge factor in improving the life cycle and maintenance costs by avoiding future closures during and after runway rehabilitation. The estimated construction value for this project is between $30 and $40 million.
Taxiway G rehabilitation is an operationally sensitive project that addresses replacement of the existing concrete pavement, joint sealant, taxiway shoulders, subsurface drainage, electrical installations, and pavement markings. The project will be phased to allow continuous access to the apron entry points and Terminal B and D gates. It is estimated to be approximately $43 million in construction value and includes DBE requirements as it is federally funded. The project is anticipated to be advertised in the fourth quarter of 2024. Also advertising fourth quarter of 2024 is the DFW Southwest Hard Stands relocation project. This opportunity is an airfield apron expansion located on the southwest side of the DFW Terminal F. The project will provide 10 aircraft parking positions with flexibility for the efficient operation of the airport. Additional work includes the relocation of a portion of the airfield de-icing storage facility and will occur on both the non-secure and secure sides of the airport. It has an anticipated construction value of $60 million. The next contract expected to be advertised is the Taxiway B Bridge project. This construction will strengthen the taxiway superstructure to accommodate ADG 6, those are the A380s, and the 747-800 aircraft operation. The work will include concrete bridge deck reconstruction, steel girder reinforcement, column and pier modifications, and the center section of Taxiway B will be rehabbed to include select panel replacement, expansion joint replacement, and electrical lighting modernization. Projected construction value is estimated to be about $40 million, and again, the project will include DBE requirements due to the federal funding. It's anticipated to be advertised in the first quarter of 2025.
The last project is DFW's next big runway rehabilitation. The runway 18 left, 36 right rehabilitation contract will include the replacement of the concrete keel section, high-speed exits, and an asphalt overlay of the entire runway. The project includes retrofit of existing subsurface drainage, electrical installation, and pavement markings. This project is being phased in such a way to keep the runway operational as long as possible. All work during the full closure period of the runway will be expected to be expedited in order to minimize the downtime on the runway. The project is estimated to be between $150 and $200 million in construction value. It is federally funded and anticipated to be advertised in either the first or second quarters of 2025.
Hello, I'm Chris Arman, the Executive Program Director for Airport Development. Today, I will be presenting one opportunity expected to advertise in the next year to support the Central Terminal Area Expansion Program. The Terminal C, Garage C project solicitation is expected to be released in the next 2 weeks. This is a construction contract with a value of $120 to $135 million with a duration in the range of 1.5 to 2 years. This project includes the demolition and reconstruction of the existing southernmost Garage C at Terminal C into a new 6th-level, modern structured garage with over 2,200 parking spaces. The garage will feature speed ramp design for easy entry and exit, electric charging stations, ADA accessibility, elevators, clear customer sight lines, and the latest in parking guidance systems. This project will also provide updated utilities and roadways near Terminal C's southernmost gates. This will occur in the non-secured side of the airport, so SITA badging is not required.
Good morning, I'm Felipe Cruz Calderon, Assistant Vice President with Design, Code, and Construction. The following opportunities support the Terminal F program and are expected to advertise in the next year. The Terminal F baggage sortation and loading dock building is set for release in the second quarter of 2024. This project will construct the Terminal F BHS sortation and loading dock building between International Parkway, which means this project is primarily on the land side. While badging will not be required during the majority of construction, it may be required during the latter part of construction. The baggage sortation will be processed from Terminal E and distribute them to Terminal F using an underground tunnel system. This building is approximately 100,000 square feet between 2 stories. The Terminal F loading dock portion of the building will provide a logistics and distribution center for concessions, goods, and waste to operate Terminal F. This will be a single-story attached area that is approximately 20,000 square feet. The building will connect to tunnel systems and baggage handling system that is being constructed by others. The successful bidder of this contract will be required to coordinate activities with various contractors, service contract operator, and stakeholders. This contract has an estimated construction value of $89.7 million. Advertising the third quarter of this year is the Terminal D bus station. This is a new construction contract with a value of $26 million and is expected to last 18 months. The new Terminal D bus station will be a passenger station with 3 gate lounge seating areas that will be used to serve remote gate operations. This project includes the construction of approximately 17,000 square feet, 3-level structure. This work will occur on the secure side of the airport. SITA badging will be required. The next project is the AC Connector Bridge, which will renovate and modernize the interior and exterior of the existing connector between terminals. Renovation activities inside the connector include replacement of concourse level windows, repainting the exterior, new roof, conveyance replacement, restroom upgrades, and improvements to mechanical, electrical, plumbing, and fire life safety systems. This construction contract is valued at approximately $20 million and is anticipated to be advertised first quarter of 2025. As this project is on the airside, badging will be required. Our final anticipated solicitation is for the construction of a new Terminal C and E connector. This contract is expected to be released for advertisement in the first quarter of 2025. This will be a construction contract with a value of $50 to $60 million and a duration of 1.5 years. This project will provide an enhanced journey experience for domestic passengers traveling between the southern end of Terminal C and northern end of Terminal E. The new connector will give passengers the option for a smooth and direct transition without having to leave the concourse level to travel between Terminal C and Terminal E. This work will occur on the secure side of the airport, so SIDA badging is required.
We invite you to join us on this journey. The road to success is a collective expedition where every partnership, every diverse perspective, and every meticulously planned project contributes to the tapestry of our shared success. As we embrace the challenges and opportunities ahead, we are not just delivering projects, we are shaping the future, and the future is now. We invite you to be part of it.
It is now time to recognize the people, the projects, and the partners that have supported DFW's mission. The recipients of these awards exemplify what it means to care about the impact on operations, customer experience, commercial development, safety, and quality. They deliver with excellence and quality and exemplify one DFW. The Digital Transformation Excellence Award celebrates individuals or teams who have leveraged cutting-edge technologies to revolutionize and enhance various aspects of airport operations or project delivery. This year's award goes to Bentley Systems, whose unparalleled support and access to innovative tools, coupled with their advanced 4D platform, enabled DFW Airport to execute its inaugural 4D construction project with great success. Bentley Systems helped establish a comprehensive campus-wide 4D program, which provides a holistic view of all anticipated design and construction activities at the airport over the next decade. The Innovation Excellence Award at DFW Airport honors individuals or teams who have demonstrated exceptional creativity, ingenuity, and forward thinking in their contributions to DFW Airport. This year's Innovation Excellence Award recognizes the Terminal Exit Lane Pilot Program. This provides technology-based monitoring and access control of terminal exit doors, which increases airport operational efficiency, enhances the exit experience of passengers and employees, and increases situational awareness of airport security staff while eliminating dependence on staff exits. The Commercial Developer Excellence Award is a distinguished recognition celebrating outstanding achievement in commercial development within the airport's expensive infrastructure. We would like to recognize Seafried Industrial Properties as this year's Commercial Developer Excellence Award recipient. Seafried successfully developed a 2-building logistics facility at the southwest corner of West Airfield Drive and Glade Road. The Seafried development team created an efficient and easily accessible building layout on a site with geometric and infrastructure constraints. The Quality Excellence Award is a distinguished honor that recognizes exceptional achievements in ensuring the highest quality, innovation, and efficiency standards in airport infrastructure development at DFW Airport. This year's Quality Excellence Award goes to C.J. Robinson for his leadership on the airfield ramp efficiency projects. Since joining the PMCM team, CJ has taken time and effort to ensure quality is upheld on his projects. He has daily meetings with contractors addressing issues and communicates resolutions to issues with quality assurance and coach staff. His professionalism and experience have brought resolutions to complicated issues by engaging the contractor, engineer of record, quality assurance team, and code to minimize schedule delays. The Operational Excellence Award honors individuals or teams with outstanding dedication and proficiency in optimizing DFW Airport operations. We would like to recognize Tom Lyon as a distinguished recipient of the Operational Excellence Award for his outstanding efforts in addressing emergency needs on the airfield at DFW Airport. Tom's exemplary leadership, dedication, expertise, and swift response to emergencies have ensured the smooth functioning of critical operations and demonstrated an unwavering commitment to maintaining the highest safety and efficiency standards. The Customer Experience Excellence Award acknowledges individuals or teams that have consistently exceeded in delivering exceptional service and satisfaction to travelers. We would like to recognize Merchant Aviation, specifically 2 individuals with the Customer Experience Excellence Award. First, Jared Payne for his efforts on the recent CBP Arrivals Hall Carbon Replacement Project. Jared kept the voice of the customer first throughout the planning and execution of the contract and is an excellent advocate of One DFW. He is constantly going above and beyond for the customer by putting in the extra time and effort to ensure that the projects he oversees are on track. Next, Alana Hosey for her efforts on the Holistic Airside Restroom Program, also known as HARP. Alana's keen insights have been beneficial to making decisions in an effort to finalize the DFW's restroom design guidelines. Throughout the project, she has kept the customer needs top of mind in design and development. Her willingness to put in the extra time and effort for all projects she is involved with is a true example of One DFW spirit. The Safety Excellence Award at DFW Airport is a tribute to individuals or teams who have demonstrated an unwavering commitment to fostering a culture of safety and security within the DFW Airport community. In recognition of their efforts, we are pleased to announce TEXO as this year's Safety Excellence recipient. TEXO assists DFW Risk Department with monthly safety training, on-site inspections, participation in the safety forum, and in their involvement with the construction contractors in the area. The Contractor of the Year Award at DFW Airport recognizes a construction or service contractor who has demonstrated exceptional performance, reliability, and excellence in executing projects throughout the year. This year, we are thrilled to announce that Sky Building Services is the recipient of this prestigious award. Sky Building Services has continuously exceeded our expectations by consistently performing to the highest standards. Their unwavering dedication to partnership and collaboration with DFW and stakeholders has resulted in construction that is completed with minimal operational impacts, with quality, and on schedule. They have demonstrated their commitment to excellence by providing thoughtful solutions to any challenges that have arisen. Their exemplary performance is not only recognized by DCC, but also by our sister departments and airline partners. The Designer of the Year Award at DFW Airport recognizes architects, engineers, and design professionals who have demonstrated exceptional creativity, functionality, and sustainability in shaping the airport's physical environment. Today, we are proud to announce Modular as a Designer of the Year. Over the past year, Modular has made significant contributions to our organization's customer experience mindset. They have shown an unwavering commitment to customer-focused concept designs, particularly in developing our information nodes for the future, which DFW Airport will use in all upcoming construction and renovation projects. Their innovative and thoughtful approach to design has not only met, but also exceeded the requirements for providing information to our customers. The Project of the Year Award is a distinguished accolade that recognizes a standout initiative demonstrating innovation, efficiency, and overall excellence in execution. This year, we are proud to recognize the Terminal Exit Lane Pilot Project as a Project of the Year. To replace the existing terminal exits with an automated system, the pilot program needed to move quickly. DCC Project Manager Jeff Windsor and DCC Construction Manager Jose Madrera Ortiz successfully managed extensive contractor and stakeholder coordination to enable construction, exit system delivery and assembly, access control integration, and functional testing. Additionally, Moeller & Moeller provided the completed design in just 90 days. And Sky Building Services reached substantial completion only 75 days after NTP. Next, we have the Excellence in Action Award. This award recognizes efforts that go above and beyond and spotlights dedication and exemplary performance. The Excellence in Action Award proudly acknowledges the exceptional efforts of Keisha Davis and Lionel Santiago with Alstom. Keisha and Lionel's unwavering commitment to addressing challenges head-on and their tireless efforts to ensure the continuous functionality of our systems during such critical times are truly commendable. During the January 2024 winter weather event, their round-the-clock presence on site for over 24 hours, coupled with their prompt reporting and effective communication with executive leadership, exemplified the excellence we celebrate with this award. Keisha and Lionel embody the spirit of dedication and going above and beyond to maintain consistent service for our passengers and communication with DFW leadership. Our final award is a Design, Code, and Construction Vice President's Award. This award recognizes an individual who understands the importance of collaboration. I am thrilled to announce that this year's recipient of the DCC VP Award is Sharon McClowski, the VP of Customer Experience. Sharon is an inspiration to all of us with her unwavering commitment to putting the customer first in everything we do. Her relentless efforts to improving the customer experience have not gone unnoticed and are truly deserving of this recognition. Thank you, Sharon, for your invaluable contributions to DFW International Airport and for being a shining example of what it means to be a true partner. And congratulations to all 2024 Award of Excellence recipients. You continue to be an inspiration to all of us. Thank you for your hard work and dedication to being one DFW.
DFW is our home, a nexus of connectivity, and our cornerstone of our shared aspiration. The success of DFW is not measured by the number of passengers or flights alone, but resonate in the growth it brings to our families, communities, and the region. Our success intertwined. As visionaries and innovators, we recognize that individual brilliance pales in comparison to the collective power of a united community. We invite you to bring creativity, passion for excellence, and curiosity to this endeavor. Together, we are embarking on a journey that shapes the next 50 years to be the best 50 years, pioneering new heights and setting the stage for a future that reflects the shared spirit of innovation and collaboration. Let's deliver together, ensuring that success of DFW becomes a testament to the strength and ingenuity of our community. Thank you for your continued interest in DFW and attendance at the Business Opportunity Forum. This video will be made available on DFW YouTube page.